Hey, Jacob.
Yeah?
I think Alec and Will need Damascus dog tags.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, love that intro. All right, guys, so we're going to be making Damascus dog tags for ALEC STEELE.
And Will Stelter.
So we're really excited for this. I'm going to be using some feather Damascus.
And I've got some twist Damascus.
Yeah, it's a little scrap piece. It's not the best. Like, we're not going
Yeah.
to use it for knives. So we'll see how it goes, but it should look sweet. And we also made that Damascus. So let's get the Damascus and light the forge.
I think we're probably gonna be good. Alright, this is my last heat. We got it the thickness we want, just making it all uniform. I think we're looking pretty good. Let's see. Alright, sweet.
All right, guys, now the metal is cooling down. We're just going to take this time and just talk about our merch. So this is the merch we have. We have a whole bunch of different options. This is the grind, because we're grinding the grind out here.
Oh yeah.
This is also,
This is just a cool one. It's got the survival knife Jacob made. It's got our mountain logo in the back. It's pretty sweet.
so if you guys like that, there's a link down below to go check it out. And then also, we just like to thank ALEC STEELE for kind of being our inspiration and stuff for our own forge and own company. So thanks so much, and I hope that you enjoy these dog tags when they get to you.
Yeah, we look up to them a lot, and it'll be cool to kind of make something for them. So.
And if you guys are watching this, sweet, and make sure to leave a comment because we'd love to hear from you guys. All right, guys, my metal's cooled, so I'm gonna start grinding it. I'm just gonna do it flat, and then we're gonna go ahead and trace it.
Okay, mine's cooled down now. We'll start doing the same thing.
Okay guys, so now our next step is to grind the flats. And so I built this little jig right here, just as a little knock niche. So we can set it on that and then push it up against the grinder. So let's start grinding the flats. Okay guys, we ground both sides flat.
Yep.
So now our next step is turn the forge on, stamp them, and then we're gonna quench them.
Alright, here we go, guys. Hardening it so the pattern pops a little better. Good.
Well, let me get the center point. Let's throw it back in.
You honestly could probably do all of them in one heat.
I know, but I just want to be careful. Yeah.
Okay guys, so we pulled them out of the quench, we've cleaned them off. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grind them a little bit more and hand sand them, bring them up to a higher grit so that we can etch them. And you can see on mine right here, there's a delamination and it split a little bit and we had to tap it back together. And we knew going into this that this Damascus wasn't the best in the world. That's why we're using it for this instead of knives. But since it doesn't need to have any real strength and it doesn't need to hold up, I think we'll be fine. So we'll just continue with it.
Just watching the new ALEC STEELE video while we're hand sanding. Let's go. Good work. Alright, we've hand sanded them all the way up pretty good. And then we washed them off with acetone. And now we're going to put them in some boracic acid for the etch. And we'll show you guys the sweet time lapse if it comes out good. Okay guys, they're done etching right now. I don't know how good you can see them, but they turned out pretty sweet. So now our next step is to put them in the coffee etch. So let's go ahead and put them in the coffee. This is the coffee we're using. It's no good, but none of us drink coffee, so it works good for this stuff. And we're just putting it in the coffee now. See how it goes. And we'll be back in probably like an hour. Okay guys, we have both the chains cut for the dog tags. And the dog tags are just chilling in the coffee right now. So we're gonna take them out, clean them up, put some oil on them, and then put it on the chains. Okay guys, we just used some 3-in-1 oil. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching that video. We really appreciate having you guys with us here. These dog tags are done right now. We're going to be shipping them off in the morning to ALEC STEELE's place. So we got to find that address for that. We'll be able to do it hopefully. But Alec and Will, if you guys happen to be watching this, or guys, go like send me this video, it's follow, you know. But we'd like to hear back from you, hear if you ever got them, if you like them. No pressure, but hope you guys enjoy them. And thanks for watching, and go check out our merch line and some of our other videos. Please subscribe.
Grind the grind, guys.